Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to use cursor effect in Camtasia video editing software. Let's get started. The very first thing you need to know is that before you can use cursor effect that will work with your screen record in Camtasia, you have to make sure you record your screen with Camtasia. Just like the one you have at the top right here, make sure you record your screen with Camtasia. And with that, you should be able to use cursor effect. Now, let's see how we use cursor effect in Camtasia video editing software. So, in whatever version of Camtasia video editing software you are using, what you want to do right here is to come down below right here, click on more, and then go ahead and navigate to cursor effect. And it's going to take you right here. Here, you have so many effects right here. So, you can also navigate to next tab right here, which is clickable effect. So, you have different clickable effects right here. Add, then go ahead and go to the right click effect. So this is left click and this is right click. Now let's start with cursor effect. So here there are so many cursor effects right here that you can easily add. So if I decide to use cursor magnify, so go ahead and select on that and drag it onto the video.